to 20 lakhs, and they would look for a opportunity, business opportunity, a small business opportunity. And when you don't know new business and have no time to learn and spend years in developing from scratch, जब आप नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, आपके पास ना समय है ना टाइम है, आप सालों आप उसमें डेवलपमेंट में डाल सकें, स्क्रैच से डेवलप कर सके, in that case you are left with only one option, and that is franchisee business. Now last 3 slides मैं आप थोड़ा जल्दी लेने की कोशिश करूंगा. Let's have a comparison. आप अगर अपना दूसरा खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं एज अ स्टार्टअप, और या आप फ्रेंचाइज स्टार्टअप में आ रहे हैं, तो लेट्स हैव अ कंपैरिजन डेटा. सक्सेस रेशियो ये 8 to 10% इनटू स्टार्टअप. जैसे पहले 1 साल में 70% स्टार्टअप्स बंद हो जाते हैं, अगले 3 से 5 साल में 90 to 95% स्टार्टअप्स बंद हो जाते हैं. wherein franchise startup success ratio is quite high. ब्रांड इज नॉट एस्टैब्लिश, खुद से करना है, wherein franchisee में सब कुछ एस्टैब्लिश है, टेस्टेड कंसेप्ट है. रिस्क इज वेरी हाई इनटू स्टार्टअप, फ्रेंचाइजी स्टार्टअप में इट इज वेरी लो. ट्रेनिंग एंड सपोर्ट कुछ अवेलेबल नहीं है, सब कुछ आपको डेवलप करना है. wherein into franchisee everything is established by the franchisor. टेक्निकल नो हाउ सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट करना पड़ेगा, wherein it is available by the franchisor. Sorry. Business model is risky, wherein franchisee it is accepted as it is tried and tested. रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट बहुत की फैक्टर होता है. कोई भी नए बिजनेस में प्रोडक्ट बनाना, नई नई चीजें, सिस्टम्स को लाना, वो कॉस्टिंग इन स्टार्टअप इट इज वेरी हाई, wherein into franchise it is relatively low. And as a businessman हम देखना चाहेंगे what will be the return. So in startup the returns will take 5 to 6 years, wherein in franchise it will take at least 1 or 2 years only. If you follow all the systems and guidelines, 1 से 1.5 साल में आप अपना ROI निकाल सकते हैं. ये कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो हमेशा से हम बताते आए हैं हमारे फ्रेंचाइजीज को, हमारे वीडियोस भी अवेलेबल हैं. बिफोर बाइंग एनी फ्रेंचाइजी कौन से पॉइंट आपको कंसिडरेशन में लेने चाहिए. आस्क हाउ दे ट्रीट देयर फर्स्ट फ्रेंचाइजी, वो अपनी एग्जिस्टिंग फ्रेंचाइजी को कैसे ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. ये इन्वेस्टर के लिए है. द सक्सेस रेट, करंट ऑपरेशनल एंड पास्ट क्लोज यूनिट जितने भी हैं उनका सक्सेस रेशियो क्या है, फीस एंड कॉस्ट स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, उनकी फ्रेंचाइजी फी क्या है, उनका इन्वेस्टमेंट का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, रनिंग एक्सपेंसेस क्या है, व्हाट सपोर्ट एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दे हैव, क्या सॉफ्टवेयर क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं, हाउ देयर वेंडर मैनेजमेंट, हाउ इज देयर लॉजिस्टिक मैनेजमेंट, किस तरह से पेमेंट सिस्टम रहता है, एवरीथिंग इन प्लेस और नॉट, दैट यू नीड टू चेक. फ्रेंचाइजी कम्युनिकेशन, if they are developing any new product or any new policies from their head office down the line franchisee तक वो properly communicated होता है नहीं होता है, that you need to check. systems and processes जैसे मैंने डिटेल में पूरा पहले हर एक चीज बता दी, SOP से लेके सॉफ्टवेयर गाइडलाइन इन प्लेस होना जरूरी है. ROI, इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना है, that you need to check. फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस फ्रेंचाइजी आउटलेट का क्या है, branding and marketing support, what they are providing, what you are going to do on a local level. Apart from those points जो मैंने कवर किए, ऑलरेडी हमारे YouTube पे एक डेडिकेटेड वीडियो बनाया है, आप चेक कर सकते हैं फ्रेंचाइज इनसाइडर पे. मोर पॉइंट्स टू कंसीडर, अभी की सिचुएशन के हिसाब से और एडिशनल पॉइंट्स आपको क्या कंसीडर करने हैं, दैट आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू. एज ए इन्वेस्टर यू शुड लुक फॉर अ फ्रेंचाइजी मोर सुटेबल टू योर करंट प्रोफाइल, नेचर एंड मार्केट ट्रेंड. आपको मार्केट ट्रेंड के हिसाब से, आपके स्वभाव के हिसाब से, प्रोफाइल के हिसाब से कौन सी फ्रेंचाइजी मोस्ट सुटेबल है, दैट यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई. Go for lower cost franchisee than your budget. Yes, if you have a budget of 50 lakh, we would strongly suggest go for 20 to 25 lakhs of investment. Don't put all your money at a time into one basket. Put aside running cost for 6 months and local marketing budget. Yes, if you have 50 lakhs, if you are putting 20 lakhs into a franchisee, rest 10 to 15 lakhs you can put aside for a running expense like rental, salary for next coming 4 to 6 months. Plus marketing again is the most important part. So next 6 months you need to put a budget aside for a marketing. Go for a franchisee on company operated kind of a franchisee, or at least select a franchisee wherein they are providing you some sort of support like trained resources. Why? Because you must be working with X industry or X businesses currently. If you are starting everything from zero, possibly it will take at least 1 or 1.5 years to get trained to learn everything from scratch. So go for a FOCO kind of franchisee. Check financial soundness and or stability of the franchisor. Now who can help franchisor and franchisee? इन सब सिलेक्शन में कौन आपको हेल्प कर सकता है? जो रिसर्च बेस्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग करते हैं, such organization can help you. You should look to align with such consultants or hire them for you. We as franchise insider do this all for our clients. franchisor हो या franchisee हो, हम ये सारी चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हैं. और ये लास्ट 2 स्लाइड है, देन वी विल कम टुवर्ड्स आवर स्पीकर. फ्रेंचाइजर अगर हमारे साथ आते हैं जुड़ने के लिए, तो व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स, ड्यू डिलिजेंस हम क्या क्या करते हैं और उनको हम क्या क्या गाइडलाइंस देते हैं टू एनी फ्रेंचाइजर बिफोर टेकिंग एनी एक्सक्लूसिव असाइनमेंट. जिनको फ्रेंचाइजी मॉड्यूल डेवलप करना है, हम उनका पूरा ड्यू डिलिजेंस करते हैं, उनको एक क्वेश्चनर भरवाते हैं जिसमें भी चेक देयर, उन्होंने कब बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, उनका वेबसाइट क्या है, नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस क्या है, यूनिकनेस क्या है, टर्नओवर क्या है उनका, what are their future plans, expansion budget, and many more things. We ask what kind of support brand will provide to future franchisee. वो अपनी फ्रेंचाइजी को क्या सपोर्ट देंगे, वो अटमोस्ट उस पर क्या टेक केयर करने वाले हैं, वो चीजें हम ध्यान में रखते हैं. एंड वी आस्क देम, वी सी द काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम्स एंड प्रोसेसेस आर इन प्लेस. क्या अभी उनके सिस्टम प्रोसेसेस इन प्लेस है? इफ अगर नहीं है, आर दे रेडी टू अडॉप्ट सो दोस काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम्स. हम उनको मेंटर करते हैं हमेशा. You should always think and support the franchisees in any situation. Franchisee मेरी जो है, that is my baby. So वो कैसे चलेगा, कैसे दौड़ेगा, कैसे प्रॉफिट में आएगा. For each and every outlet, if they are conscious enough, then and then he should go and think for going on franchisee. We emphasize them to offer franchise on company operated model or similar type of support like trained manpower to franchisee. Yes, हम emphasize करते हैं ज्यादातर कि वो फोको टाइप मॉडल ऑफर करे ताकि फ्रेंचाइजी ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपके साथ जुड़े और आप एक दूसरे से ज्यादा लंबे एसोसिएशन में जुड़े रहें. ना सिर्फ फ्रेंचाइजर, जो इन्वेस्टर्स आते हैं हमारे पास, हम उनका भी ड्यू डिलिजेंस करते हैं और उनको भी हम गाइड करते हैं. कैसे? वी आस्क द इन्वेस्टर अबाउट देयर बैकग्राउंड एंड करंट प्रोफाइल. यस, जो इन्वेस्टर्स आते हैं हम उनका बैकग्राउंड पूछते हैं, उनका करंट प्रोफाइल क्या है वो पूछते हैं. We ask their budget and interest area. उनका कितना बजट रहता है, उनका इंटरेस्ट एरिया क्या है, that we ask. We check how much patience he she has to sustain in franchise business. धीरज क्या है? वो ऐसा बोले सर मैं इतना पैसा डालूंगा, मेरा कब से प्रॉफिट आना चालू होगा, तो वो नहीं चलेगा. We try to mentor them, guide them. नहीं, this is a franchise business. There will be a time period, there will be a patience which you need to manage, you need to handle as a franchisee. And we advise not to put all money. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, सारा पैसा मत डालिए. अगले 4 से 6 महीने का रनिंग कॉस्ट एंड मार्केटिंग बजट लेके साइड पे रखिए. वी सजेस्ट टू प्रीफर अ फोको मॉडल. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, फ्रेंचाइजी को भी हम यही सजेस्ट करते हैं, गो फॉर अ फोको मॉडल. इट विल बी द फ्यूचर. यही रेवोल्यूशन होने वाला है अगले टाइम में. या एटलीस्ट जो फ्रेंचाइजी आपको मैन पावर जैसा कुछ तो भी सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड कर रही है, गो फॉर सच काइंड ऑफ मॉडल. So this is all about us, Franchisee Insider, what we are thinking future of the franchisee for coming year. ये हमारे नंबर्स हैं, हमारी वेबसाइट है, एंड सेम वे हमारे सोशल मीडिया पेजेस है जिस पे आप हमें कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो बिफोर हैंडिंग ओवर और इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द स्पीकर, एक और हमारा एक जनरल नॉलेज का हम पोल अभी करेंगे. I'll stop sharing the screen. It's a general knowledge, छोटा सा है. Manish, you can put it on screen. Okay. So which brand has the highest number of outlets in the world? As you can see, these are international franchisee brands. All are very famous, right? So you need to just select which are the which is the brand having the highest outlet in the world. So I hope you have submitted your answer. So we'll end the polling soon. Okay, so 57.7% are telling McDonald's, 11.5% are telling Pizza Hut, and 11.55% are telling Domino's, and 26.9% people are telling Subway. So let me tell you the correct answer. The highest number of outlets is of Subway. They have 42,000 outlets across the globe, and even McD has around 37,000 outlets across the globe. So Subway is in terms of number of outlets. Yes, not in the number of profit, but in the number of outlets. Fine. So that was just for a fun and the general knowledge what we are checking. So let me come up with our investor, to our speaker, Mr. Dhaval Desai. Mr. Dhaval Desai was working with various businesses, various sectors, from banking and other sectors. But if I talk about franchisee and current industries, he is the owner of 4 different brands. First one is the Purple Salon and Wellness. They are into salon and wellness industry, serving since many years and having 7 centers across Gujarat. Second one is the Captain Egg, which is the fastest growing egg cuisine currently. They have 11 outlets across India as well as into Nepal, having 5,000 square feet of outlet into the Nepal, Kathmandu. Third one is the fine dine restaurant, that is Spoon 11. It is there in Pal area, Kratos Club. And fourth, what he has recently launched and come up with, that is into shakes and thick shakes and juices, named Batliwala, which is about to launch very soon. So let me hand over to Dhaval Desai, and post his session, we can ask all the queries and questions. Dhaval bhai, you can start.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dhaval Desai, one of the founder of Purple Salon Wellness, Captain Egg, and Spoon 11 the restaurant. Thank you all for joining this webinar within your lockdown duration. Hope all of you are safe. Thank you, Franchise Insider entire team, for providing me such platform where I can interact with so many active people. So today I will use English and Hindi, both the language. जितना simplify language में हम लोग conversation कर पाए, will try my best. After the session, अगर आपको कोई query है या कोई भी question है, will definitely try to give all your answer. So before starting the session, let me ventures. First of all, we'll talk about Purple Salon and Wellness. What is Purple Salon and Wellness? So basically, Purple Salon and Wellness is premium unisex salon and a wellness center. We operational since 2011 across the Gujarat with 3 cities, Surat, Baroda, and Bhavnagar. Our each format size is around 2,000 to 2,200 square feet area, where we are providing solution for hair, skin, beauty, wellness. And we usually work under 2 format. One is FOCO, second is COCO. FOCO stands for franchise owned company operated. COCO stands for company owned company operated. So this is all about the Purple Salon and Wellness. Now we'll talk about the today's subject, brand strategy post-COVID. Yes, challenges are there, definitely, because as we all of us are aware, human touch is the most critical thing nowadays. And salon and wellness business is all about human touch. So that is a challenge, but definitely we'll come up with a few solutions. We are going to design such a way, we need to restructure entire product design also. On a wellness side, we need to introduce from Western side, Western therapy to natural therapy back to basic, because there are so many natural therapies there, which is health conscious, health oriented way. Because during the COVID, all of us are now health conscious. So we need to design such product on a health oriented format. So that is one way to come up with the new strategy. Second, as Samir already covered in his presentation, that all the outlets are on a premium segment locations and bigger size and bigger team size and everything. So fixed overheads are there. So definitely we need to cut down the fixed overhead. First of all, that is the part of foremost strategy. We need to meet all the landlords, request them. Again, it is subject on our leadership and your based on your relationship builder. So you need to convince your landlord the current scenario. They need to consider your paying You need to explain entire things that fixed overhead we cannot survive with the current situation, right? So that is one more thing. And the second part is you need to decrease your manpower as well. The bigger location, the bigger team you have. So you need to redefine your team power as well. So manpower size you need to decrease definitely. That is one part. Second thing, hygiene. Obvious, you need to make sure all the clients that you are maintaining the hygiene part. You need to assure them it is all about human touch. So they are safe and secured. You need to convey the message first. You need to retain your staff. That is the again valuable point, because within this lockdown duration, the entire team are so much worried. You need to retain your staff the way you are retain your customers. The same way you need to give that clarity. You are also that much of important as much as client for us. So you need to retain in such a way how you treat, they will give you the performance. That is one part. Four part, after COVID, so many things will change. You can do online surveys also, because customer is the basic decision maker. So you can start online survey as well. What is their expectation after COVID with your particular location or with your particular venture? So you can start doing the survey. After the survey, you can design so many things. So that is how the challenges are that, but we can come it out with the positivity. Second, I'm talking about Captain Egg. Captain Egg is basically egg specialty cuisine, where we are working since 2 years. And as Samir said, we are operationally with 11 outlets as of now across the India and one outlet in Nepal. The basic USP of Captain Egg, why we are growing so fast, within 2 years, we reached at 11 outlets. That is the thing I'll share you. I would like to share why. Our basic USP is we are providing trained manpower at the time of inauguration and during the operational hours. So franchisee is your baby, as Samir is rightly said. You need to hold their hand. You need to make sure they are with you. They are synchronized with each and every situation. Your transparency is the basic thing. आपको हर वो चीज उनके साथ डिस्कस करनी पड़ेगी, हर चीज में आपको वहां पे रहना पड़ेगा. फ्रेंचाइजी इज नॉट लाइक कि आपका ब्रांड किसी ने फ्रेंचाइज आउटलेट ले लिया फिर पूरा उनको करना है. सॉरी टू इंट्रोड्यूस, अगर मैंने आपको पहले नहीं बोला, वी आर वर्किंग विद फोको मॉडल इन कैप्टन एग, फ्रेंचाइज ओन कंपनी ऑपरेटेड. So where we are providing manpower, we are holding hands to franchisee. That is our USP. सेकंड पार्ट हमने स्ट्रांगली वर्कआउट किया है मेनू पार्ट पे. छोटी छोटी चीजों हमने ध्यान रख के की है कि मेनू का प्रेजेंटेशन ऐसा होना चाहिए कि वेयर पीपल शुड क्लिक अ फोटो एंड दे शुड upload on the social media and all, that is one way of the marketing only. So that smart way you need to design your strategy after COVID as well. Plus you need to decrease so many costs. Again, the similar point, it is like the old vehicle, you need to run on a new path. That is how we need to design our strategy. Retention of the staff is the most important. Third, we are talking about Spoon 11, the restaurant. It is with banquet property. Now, banquet will face the biggest challenge because social distancing, it is not possible in banquet. So we need to work it out on those part also. So we are designing strategies. Let's hope we are doing surveys also. And foremost thing, ये आज का सेशन इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन है. मैं आप लोगों से भी सजेशन लेना चाहूंगा. जैसे मैंने सर्वे का बोला, दैट इज वन सॉर्ट ऑफ सर्वे ओनली. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर आफ्टर कोविड, विथ सैलून, विथ रेस्टोरेंट, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस यू आर कैरिंग, डेफिनेटली वुड लाइक टू टेक. थैंक यू.
Hello. Yeah, thank you so much, Dhaval bhai, for the lovely information. As far as both the industries are concerned, food industry as well as the wellness industry. You can ask all the questions, audience, if you have any query related to both the industry or as far as generally franchise is concerned. आप कुछ भी query है, सवाल है, आप chat box में डाल सकते हैं, अभी पूछ सकते हैं आपके सारे questions. Yes, you can put it in the chat box, and we will try to answer it.
Yeah, hi Dhaval.
Hello.
Yeah, so Dhaval, you have a different experience of both the sectors. That is a purple spa and saloon. When one is a Captain Egg.
Right.
So can you share us
Right.
what kind of precautions or what would be the customers who would be visiting your spa salon or maybe a Captain Egg restaurant? What kind of precautions are you going to take it?
So perfect question. Well, we are going to keep all the sanitization. We are going to sanitize all the accessories and everything, keeping mask, gloves at the WHO guideline. We are going to follow definitely, and we are going to sanitize our client as well. We need to provide that precautions for like sanitizer and everything, the shower, hygiene maintain everything. We need to provide them. So we're definitely going to display on the outlet also what is the hygiene permit guideline. So we are going to display that thing also at each
Uh,
outlet.
Yeah, but can you elaborate on the spa salon? Because many, like spa salon is a very close face-to-face interaction which happens during maybe a female bridal kind of thing or maybe daily activities, what they do. So how
Yeah,
are you
agreed.
going to take precautions on that? So any guidelines or maybe
Uh,
specially you can share for your salon?
I've got your point specifically. We cannot decrease that social distancing on the human touch part as now
Yeah,
because COVID is something unique situation for us, right?
yeah.
So till now we don't have that equipment or anything. Might be after COVID, so many equipment will come up in the market. So we'll switch it off from human touch to equipment part. So and as I said, we go to switch so many therapies on a natural therapy base. So as of now, Western
Okay.
therapy is like all of human touch. So we are going to switch it off on a natural therapy. There are mud therapies, there are bubble foam therapies, there where human touch is very minimal. So we are going to take that precautions.
Okay, great. Thank you.
I think we have got some more question. One is from Manoj Patel. Is delivery possible? Manish, can you try to unmute him so at least he can ask his question. He can elaborate his question. Manoj
हेलो
Patel.
धवल भाई हेलो धवल भाई
हाँ
Yeah,
मनोज
hello.
बोलो तुम्हारा सवाल શું exactly?
हाँ it is possible to get the food on delivery base
Elaborate करो ना मतलब what
You are
delivery
talking about current situation or like post COVID.
delivery possible कर से government approve कर से कि all restaurant are closed for after COVID
delivery is already allowed Manoj even
See,
current scenario it is allowed.
delivery, yeah.
for the all restaurant
Let me answer this Manoj.
okay
See, as
Hello.
per the guidelines, even Zomato and Swiggy are working. So, as per the guideline of all municipal corporation, those delivery systems are currently also allowed. It's all subjective to all restaurants are not operational currently. If you check your Zomato also, you can see many 10 to 15 restaurants who are serving
okay
on delivery basis. But on a precautionary basis, because they are having some manpower or other challenges, that is why not operational. So delivery is also is currently also continuing, and future will in future also it is going to be continued. But yes, the safety guidelines and safety process will be more and more tougher in the coming time.
that's great okay thank you
One more question from Mr. Ajay Upadhyay. How are we going to tackle customer expectation for fast food business? Can you unmute him, Manish?
Yeah, hello. So what is the question?
Mr. Ajay.
Hello.
See, basically, he want to know, okay, how are we going to tackle the customers in the current future scenario into the fast
Hello,
food business,
can you hear
because
me?
they will be more conscious. Yeah.
Yeah, hello.
Exactly. So my question was now going forward after COVID-19, the customers are going to be very skeptical about eating out or ordering from outside. So if I want to venture into a fast food kind of a format franchisee, will customers be open to the idea of eating out, or they'll be questioning the hygiene standards? They won't be really confident about having food from outside. So how are we going to tackle that situation? Hello?
That
Hello.
question to
Yeah.
you, Double Bhai.
Let me give the answer. Yes, yes. So the thing is, after COVID, hygiene is mandatory now for each and everyone. But having food is always skeptical under COVID situation, because what you are having at your home, that also all ingredients coming from the outside only. It is always skeptical. But yes, following WHO guideline and keeping hygiene format, that is the only solution as of now. But after sometimes, if some technology, maybe we should switch on some technology base, we definitely minimize the human touch.
Thank you.
Means in coming time there might be new systems, new processes will come into line, like minimum human interaction, minimum human touch. Possibly in coming 3 to 6 months, people might more prefer takeaways or home deliveries if they want outside food.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, Samir, but there is one more thing going to come in the market for this situation. We are launching the QR code based menu. We can scan the QR code for the menu from your smartphone only. You can access the entire menu from your phone. You can order it from your phone only. You can call waiter from your phone only. Entire order will put up on your table. If you will allow a waiter to serve you, then definitely they will sanitize themselves first and they will serve you. So that precaution we can take.
Okay. So one question was from Mr. Raja. Your franchise is limited to Gujarat or can be done in the other state like also? I think he is open for all the locations. You can get in touch with us for the more details. But yes, he is open across India because he has already started in Nepal. So there are no limits in India. And from Gaurav Gupta, what is the franchise fee of Purple Salon and Spoon 11? Again, you can get in touch with us on the given number after this webinar for more detail about any franchisee detail, Mr. Gaurav. Yeah. I have shared my number. That's my personal number. You can get in touch with us for more detail. So having any more questions or queries? What will be the franchisee owners, founders plan on expansion? What will be the franchise owners, founders plan for expansion? Sorry, एक second. Shubham Jadhav is asking what will be the franchise owners, founders plan on expansion?
See, it's again depends on the situation, how things are shaping up after COVID. Definitely, we will slow down on expansion first quarter after COVID, obvious, and we need to get back on track with the existing outlets first. That is our foremost priority, because all are newly developed outlets since 2 years only. So foremost priority is to get back them into proper shape. So first quarter, yes, definitely we will slow it down. And after quarter, once we got all the clarity and all the hospitality business on track, we'll definitely move on.
So first priority of all founders will be to establish the situation properly. Then everybody will think for expansion. Manoj Patel is asking, Surat known for foodie people. It is possible to create positive atmosphere.
See, keeping positive yourself is the only option for every situation, and food is in the blood for all Surtis. So it is not that easy to ignore that part after COVID. Definitely, food industry will grow as soon as possible. So it is not possible to keep out from Surtis, that segment.
So I missed your answer. Can you reply once again? What was the question of Mr. Raja? Mr. Raja, his franchisee are not limited to Gujarat. It can be expanded everywhere. But for more details, this is not the right platform, so we can discuss. You can call me on this number, and we can discuss it personally. People only come when they feel safe, or how fast people can convert from home kitchen to a restaurant. Manoj Patel is asking.
Yeah, what is the question? Just
People only
in the
come
chat
when they
box, I
feel
guess.
safe. Yeah. So
Yeah,
how fast people
absolutely.
can convert from?
So that is what I was telling. Yes, we need to assure every clientele base that we are keeping our kitchen very safe and secure. We are maintaining WHO health guideline, everything. We need to display that. We need to give demonstration in front of the clients that we are maintain our employees as well. And premises is clean and hygiene. That is the only way what I can see as of now.
Okay. So I believe there are no more queries, no more questions. Do we have any hygiene certificates?
See, after COVID, only government can say that, because as of now, government don't have such certificate kind of thing. Might be after COVID, government will give us a guideline. Maybe FSSI also give us guideline to maintain that hygiene and all that criteria. After that criteria, maintaining that criteria, they might give a certificate.
Ajay, it seems because like जैसे अभी few industries have started working. So as per the government guidelines, उन्होंने काफी strict guidelines रखी हुई है for hygiene sector as far as their employee insurance, compulsory insurance, health insurance, right? So definitely for each and every industry where people are going to gather at one place, and whether it is a food or retail or any industry, there might be definitely some guidelines. But once it is been released by the government, Dawal or anybody will be able to guide you. Do we have any hygiene certificates for restaurant? Okay, I think we have answered your queries. Very. Okay. Fine. So it seems almost you have tried to cover all your questions, all your queries. So before ending it, let me thank Mr. Dawal Desai for the wonderful session, wonderful introduction about your businesses, about how you are going to manage the scenarios which are going to face by all of your business, whether it is a Purple or a Captain Egg. आप उसे कैसे handle करने वाला, you have shared it wonderfully with everybody, and I hope that this knowledge will be helpful to everyone. And before ending the session, let me tell you, we have a series of webinars coming up. Tomorrow we have a webinar with an automobile workshop owner having 48 centers. Monday we have a webinar with a very well-known coffee brand. And then we have a webinar with the marketing head of a brand, Virendra Sehwag. It is a retail brand into sports equipment and category. And there is a dairy brand. So there are back-to-back webinars on a day-to-day basis. You can get in touch with us through our social media platforms. It's a YouTube channel, our Facebook account, Insta account, and through our LinkedIn. You need to just type Franchise Insider and you will find us on all the platforms. So I wish you a good health in coming time. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Goodbye for now. Thank you so much, everyone. And thank you, Dawal. Thank you so much.
Thank you.